Hello, this is Mick for Nexus. Welcome to 195 Cato Street, Unit 1, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a newly updated and freshly repainted unit that offers off-street parking, your own private entrance, additional storage opportunity in the basement, and shared front lawn. Matter of fact, we are looking out right the main entrance, our own private entrance. Go a couple steps here, and as we enter, we're in the living room. Brand new carpet, fresh paint throughout, LED lights, and plenty of electrical outlets. Take another look. Decent size. Fit a couple couches in here, no problem. And entertainment center as well. Bedroom number 1 is right off the living room, featuring brand new carpet as well. Plenty of baseboard heat, which is sourced by gas. And in this case, tenant pays gas and electricity. It's an extra wide sliding door closet there. And any bed size would fit in this bedroom, leaving plenty room for the rest of your bedroom furniture. Moving on, and we are in a very spacious kitchen with plenty of vintage wood cabinets, dishwasher, stainless single bay sink with a spray nozzle, 4-burner gas stove with a light and a hood up above, and more cabinets. Plenty of counter space and plenty of electrical outlets along there, and a perfect place to put a small to medium size dining set right there by the wall. To my right, there is a vintage extra large refrigerator, and the second bedroom is located right here, overlooking the back of the house. Just a touch smaller than the first bedroom, plenty of baseboards heating, and a sliding door closet. Extra wide, goes all the way to this rear wall there with installed shelving. Size wise, queen size bed would definitely fit in, or something smaller would be ideally. Back in the kitchen, and bathroom would be next. It's a very spacious bathroom with plenty of storage opportunities. So linen cabinets here, you can store towels, extra wide sink vanity, and a large mirror with decorative lighting, vintage sink, full tub here, was updated shower head, and a washer, and there's a place for a electric dryer. Small window, and take another look here. Linoleum tile floors throughout this area. New tenant welcoming package including all the essential toiletries, and it's courtesy of Nexus Property Management. As a tenant of Nexus Property Management, you'll be able to enjoy benefits of paying your rent online, filing your maintenance requests, and chatting live with our staff 24/7. Once again, this is Mick for Nexus here at 195 Cato Street, Unit 1, Woonsocket, Rhode Island.